Just to give you a brief outline of what is in the overall capital plan, in particular where we are focusing on is the expansion and the development of a new radar system. This will be developed in the coming years out to 2028, which will give us enhanced capabilities and capacity, but in particular I'll be bringing to Cabinet very shortly a plan outlining this, but in particular for the next year a new counter-drone capability which will be able to identify but also neutralise any drones that are identified as a threat. And I think in particular, given what we've seen happen not just here in Ireland but across Europe in recent times, it's absolutely essential that we have this developed and in place as soon as possible, not least because of the upcoming presidency. There's important developments and investment in the men and women of Óglaigh na hÉireann, and I just want to acknowledge and commend the fantastic work that they do, not just at home but abroad, and so there's investment in them, there's investment in technology, equipment and capabilities again for them. There's significant investment of €400 million in our training camps, in accommodation and gyms, in making sure that we're investing in the overall infrastructure within our defence forces, and then obviously there's significant investment in the purchasing of new aircraft and the purchasing of new personnel carriers and fleet, and obviously there's the investment in the expansion of our sonar capacity, and I think in particular given the challenges around our subsea cables and making sure that we're able to monitor our seabeds effectively, this is extremely important developments. But more broadly, just to say, my priority is making sure that the Defence Forces can continue to grow and expand, and I look forward to working with everybody in the years ahead. Thank you.